Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm Rose. Welcome back to another video. I'm so glad that you guys decided to tune into this specific video because it's something that you guys have been waiting for, at least those of you guys who follow me on Instagram. And if you don't follow me on Instagram yet, at Veggie Rose, check it out. So you guys can stay updated with everything that's kind of going down, all the new stuff. So if you guys click on the thumbnail because it looks so yummy, I wanted to let you guys know, give you guys an update. There's a couple new things, but the first thing that I wanted to mention is the new Christmas/holiday ebook. It is a new cookbook that I just released today, and it is called Home for Christmas. And the reason why I titled it Home for Christmas is because I know how hard it can be to actually get recipes and foods around the holidays that just feel like Christmas when you're vegan or plant-based diet, or when you first are transitioning to becoming vegan. Just having that feeling of the holidays and kind of like being home is like nostalgic, and I wanted to recreate a bunch of recipes for you guys to be able to get that feeling, and also for myself, obviously, because I love having the same feeling and having our kids enjoy all these yummy, delicious meals. And as the kids grow up, I want them to also have meals and different dishes for the holidays that will be home for them. So these recipes are, like I said, intended to feel like home, and I poured all my little heart and all my love into every single recipe. There are 30 classic holiday comfort recipes in there. Everything, of course, is vegan. These recipes are also picky kid approved and non-vegan approved. So you guys can feed your whole family with all these recipes and not worry about anybody not enjoying something, because everything is delicious. Also, this is a great book to have so you guys can show off to your family members and friends around the holidays and show them that your vegan food could also be delicious, because that is the main reason why I created this channel. And the reason why I continue to make recipes all the time is because I love to share and spread the message that vegan food could also be delicious. So I will leave the link down below for the Home for Christmas holiday ebook so you guys can download it. Also, if you guys don't celebrate Christmas and you celebrate any other holiday around the holiday season, this recipe book is perfect for warming up any holiday. So you don't specifically have to be using this to celebrate Christmas. Also, this is perfect for Thanksgiving because we have loads of different yummy recipes in there. The second thing that I wanted to touch on in this video is letting you guys know that the Veggie Rose website has been completely rebuilt. It has been completely relaunched. So if you guys want to check that out, the link will also be down below. There's also a free vegan pantry essentials list on the ebooks and guides section of the website that you guys can download for free as a PDF. And there is also the Meet Me Halfway ebook, which is also free, and you guys can download that there. So that is what I wanted to let you guys know. I hope you guys enjoy the Christmas book / holiday book, and I hope you guys love it and enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think. Also, if you make any of the recipes, please, please, please tag me on Instagram. Let me know what you made using the hashtag VeggieRoseFam. I would love to see it, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.